I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the exact Google account to share. Once done, open your browser or Google app and go straight to account settings. This ensures you modify the right profile. Make sure two-factor options and recovery info are set because Google may restrict sharing without verified contact. Next, find the avatar or choose My Account. Google Com to enter the security area. This first step gets you into the interface where the QR option appears, so don't skip verification. Once in account settings, go to Security and tap or click two-step verification or sign-in methods. This is where Google manages alternate sign-ins. Make sure to authenticate again. Google often requires re-entering your password. After authentication, look for an option to add a backup method or set up a QR code for devices. If you don't see QR immediately, expand Advanced Settings or Device Pairing. Mobile app screens sometimes show a clearer QR code generator. Proceed to generate the live code for sharing. Now generate the QR code and validate any prompts. Google may request a final confirmation to display or download the image. Once visible, either save it securely or present it to the other device for scanning using a camera or authenticator app. Make sure the recipient scans before the code expires. QR sessions can be time-limited. If something goes wrong, re-authenticate your account, try incognito or another browser, and verify network connectivity. These fixes resolve most QR generation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.